Hello over there. Hi, my dear friends. Today's lesson is about there is versus there are. So when do we use there is and when do we use there are? Okay, good. So we use there is when we speak about a singular noun. So the singular noun, it can be countable or it can be uncountable as well. Example, there is a book on the table. There is a book on the desk. There is a machine in the factory. Okay, there is a copybook in my bag. There is a pen in my pencil case. So a pen is a singular noun, okay? Singular countable noun. So I could also use there is plus a singular uncountable or an uncountable noun. Example, there is rice in the fridge. There is money, okay, in my pocket. So here, this noun is uncountable, okay? So I can use there is with a countable singular noun, or I can use there is also with an uncountable noun. Great. What about there are now? So I use there are with countable nouns, only countable nouns. Example, there are many books in my school bag. There are many newspapers, example, in the bookshop. There are many bags at school. There are many, okay, so many pens in my pencil case. There are many people in the street nowadays. There are many machines in the factory. Okay, nice. So what about the negative form here? What is the negative form of there is? The negative form of there is if there isn't. Okay, listen please. There isn't a pen in my pencil case. There isn't anyone in the sea. There isn't a book in my school bag. There isn't a film on television tonight. So there isn't. Okay, nice. Okay, now what about, okay, now the plural now, the negative of the plural, okay, good, there are. So there are films on television. There are 2 films on television tonight. The negative is there aren't any films, okay, on television tonight. There aren't books, okay, in my school bag. There aren't copybooks, okay, on my desk. There aren't, okay, exams, okay, during this term. Okay, nice. Now what about the question now? If I want to ask the question, what can I say? I can say is there. Very good. In the singular, okay, no, with the singular, okay, with the singular nouns, I can say is there. So is there a book in my bag? Is there a book in your bag? Is there a pencil on the desk? Is there a film on television tonight? Is there? The answer is yes, there is. No, there isn't. Excellent. So now let's go to there are. Okay, good. So there are books, okay, on the desk. There aren't books on the desk. The question is, are there? Okay, are there books on the desk? So the answer is yes, there are. No, there aren't. So let's now, okay, put it in a nutshell. Okay, nice. So in a nutshell, or in words of one syllable, I will say the following. Listen, please. So affirmative form, singular with singular nouns. There is a book on the desk. Okay, with now uncountable nouns. Okay, there is rice in the fridge. Nice. Negative. There isn't a book on the desk. There isn't rice in the fridge. Is there a book on the desk? Is there rice in the fridge? Nice. Now let's go to the plural form, okay, using there are. Nice. There are books on the desk. Very good. This is the affirmative form. There aren't books on the desk. Nice. The question is, are there books on the desk? Okay, great. I would like to thank you so much indeed for paying attention. It's time to love you and leave you, okay? If you liked my video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.